Kisicamtho.
Welcome back to the show. As I promised you all, I'll be sitting face to face le Fedwise. So ke na le guest rona today o tlo re botsa ka journey ya gagwe through dilo tsa di etsang, you know. Welcome to the show Nchaka.
Sure boy.
Away. Man, take us back to how no starter o discover gore you know ke rata music industry and I want to produce. Gore ke eng se leng gore se go inspire to become a producer.
Like ke gotse ke rata music wa bona. Like dilo tse nne ke di etsa mauthi ba bua ka music. Like Nchaka, music is everything for me wa bona.
Everything.
Yeah. Yeah, like inspired ke dilo tse baya producer tse dintsi like Melon Sleazy. Ke batho ba ileng gore ba inspire for music.
Ne le mauthi fela Scamtho le.
Yeah, le Scamtho sa mauthi.
So basically go tso rata music.
Yeah, ke gotse ke rata music.
Awesome. So as a grade 11 student, o balance yang school work sa go, you know, as much as gape tlambo produce after school. O balance yang lifestyle go.
Like ke fana go music wa bona. Like dilo tsa school ke di fana go. Was Friday ke gone ke producer and Saturday Sunday.
Okay.
So tsa school tsone ke di bela go site. Music lo ne go bela go site.
On weekends
ke gone ke producer.
Great.
Yeah.
So on ali the tips for audience a rona gore if hona le someone out there o leng go tshwana le wena o phela double life o ka mo tipa yang gore a gone balance life age. Like someone can, for myself, let's say I'm a coach or something like that. It's in a school, or how do you advise someone or tshwanang le o na le situation se sentseng yalo go gae? Or tsena school but tlampo o ye gymming after school, so ke di tips tse fe ya ka le no bua go wena you only do music ka di weekend.
Like o etse dio tsa go le one like go push. Yeah. Dilo tse ke batlang go ba bolela tsone. Like o sa etsa dilo ka nthewana
ka go ba tshaba yana bua le bone Nchaka go di
ke bua le bona
ba tlampo ba sheba ke
ke ba sheba.
Yeah, o ba sheba o sa ba tshaba. Okay, we tse tsa go ne.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So stage name is like Fedwise, like see unique man. Can you share a story like behind Lina le Fedwise?
Like Fedwise.
Fedwise.
Yeah, lo ne ke le ratile wa bona Fedwise. Se ne ba mpitsa phenyo wa bona ke tla ke gola so be ke bona gore e re nyana ke le boost wa bona.
O le boost.
Ke le fenyana boost. E be ke re Fedwise wa bona. A le feletse ke Fedwise Maphenyos.
Fedwise Maphenyos.
Yeah.
Oh, so Phenyo and then Fedwise Maphenyos.
Yeah.
Okay, nah, I thought ke Fedwise fela nje.
It's Fedwise.
Fedwise Maphenyos. Awesome. La utla guess Fedwise Maphenyos. So ke di producer tse feng tse leng gore di go inspire obviously na di role models se wa bo. So wena ke mang ba leng gore these are the people ba leng gore ba inspire gore ke tse music production?
Yeah, ba bantsi bona.
But can you name 5 at least or at least 3?
Like Master Jezzy, Melon Sleazy, Kabza De Small. Yeah.
How inspiring.
Yeah, and vocalist. Yeah, vocalist. Le ba bantsi bona jo ba baya.
Tla go fetsa nako a rona mo Scamtho ba name ka fetsa. So moving on Nchaka, ke eng se leng gore what's next for Fedwise for brand ya go as a producer? What can you expect? Are you working on something or what's happening?
No, I'm not working on something like ke mo ka se bona ka sia like I got tshwara material o feletseng wa bona. I gonna studio ke producer ka phone.
Okay, so there is no project coming up.
So like wa bona lo ena mo phatsima dilo tse baya.
Yeah. So you don't have anything coming up from Fedwise? ga rena music nyana
o teng no a bona
o teng
like a producer like na le nyana 2 beats
so gona le dipina tse di tlang tse 2
yeah I already release it a bona ke sa tse ke di ntshitse tsone mara
okay so di bitswang tsone if ke batla di downloada
yeah ke ya no se le gona le nngwe ya kwaito nyana so yeah isa ya no sen kwaito
ya no sen kwaito
yeah
okay la utlwa guys ya no sen kwaito ke production ya Khazma Fedoes tse dintšha tse leng gore o di ntshitse so moving on ntša ka phenyo o ka share like di moments tse leng gore okay di memories or di moments tse leng gore wena o di experience tse le mama gago gore le ene o go inspireile somehow before a tlhokafala or maybe o tlhokafetse AC o kry passion ya go for music
ish mawo tseno tlhokofetse santse ke le ntwana bona yeah so I ka kry opportunity gore ke spendele le nako am fe di tips tsa life bona gore ke tswelle ya mo philong so ke re ding gutse botlhokwa bona gore ka kry nako ya gore ke spendele mama so ke life bra
life
yeah life happen
may her soul continue to rest in peace
yeah
thanks man so how did your mother support your early interest in music or did she have okay kana wa go tlhokafetse
yeah ke santse ke le monnyane
okay so I guess a re tlole okay move on o mentionile gore mama go na le strong influence okay can you tell us more about the values that she shaped okay like at least what do you remember about your mother before tlhokafala like moment e leng gore a ise ba go bolelle one kwa eno like kwa eno leng gore na ka gopola mama ke le at least anti self party ma or selampo tsa so do you have anything
I don't have anything bra
okay,
so nnete ya ke santse ke le monnyane
how old was you
like a gopole no like loko ga ba ntšhaela di story tse baya ka mama ka so na ke se ke mmone real life ya no
oh
like o tlhokofetse ke santse ke le ntwana so ke se ke mmone real life ke leng gore dai gore ngutisa botlhoko yeah
ne so ma wena if no krile chance ya gore a go godise at least maybe 2 till 12 years ke eng se leng go no ka rata a sitse ene like ke eng se o ka batlang a sitse ka wena ge
like ne ke le motho ratang bolo sa ntlha like ya ne ke na tlampeitse ka bolo gore nna ke motho ratang bolo dilo tse baya na tlampeitse ka tsone mara ish
ke life ene
a ke na mafoko njang
ish so is there a specific song or project e leng go berekile mo yone be go etsa gore o gopole mama go in a particular way
ya yone ya santse ke le mo yona bona
pina teng
ya santse ke isa hip hop mara yone ya so ish ke yone leng gore like ke batlo e ntsha like
we dedicated to mama go
ke eletsa go mama ka straight gore ya a utlwele ene kwa leng teng gore ya at least ngwana go na le passion yeah
great see you after this short break guys welcome back and I'm still face to face with our guest Fedoes. We're still in the conversation in Chaka. Still feeling relevant.
yeah
We're sharp.
yeah sharp
Yeah man. So Penyo like okay describe how it was like go gola under ausi wa gago a le sengele and o kgona yang go balance life age obviously we know gore o na le ngwana wa gagwe so o balance life ya ge yang gore a kgone go godisa wena le ngwana gagwe at the same time
like aga godisa ka usaka
specifically
yeah when I was growing wa bona ke goditse ke mamogolo like le no tlhokofetse no
mamogolo
yeah gore ke nne mokana ke mamogolo wa bona mara ba mosisa ntse ba le teng mo site like ya ene ba iphutsha life age le nna gape ba nkeletsa plan gore ke kgone nna motho
okay
e se ke le motona le ene ya o tsere di responsibility gore ke nne motho so like yeah.
Okay, so na se one no gona le mmamogolo ne
le mmamogolo na le teng.
Okay, and then a tlhokafetse on the way o santse gona
o tlhokafetse ke bala grade 6
ne le guardian ya go ene o isa go le mmamogolo
ne le guardian ya bona.
Okay, cool. So o sia gago like as a singer madane o shapeile yang like view ya go the way wena o shebang family ka teng no yana le the word responsibility like maikarabelo
jaaka jo
like we are sing like how sheba family ya gago what do you say how you got the word family le maikarabelo ene o go shapeile yang
like when shapeile ka dio tse baya like family gape ka fa bona like family ya go gae ke batho ba bang fela bona so like ene ke motho le leng go rata dilo tsa gore di nne right bona like yeah like ene ya se motho beta bona like yeah family o etsela go pele.
Okay, and then responsibility maikarabelo did she taught you anything in that situation ya responsibility
yona maikarabelo wa tsa for nna yeah so like yeah
so but like wena go uta anything ka responsibility
wa nguta go gae wa bona o mplela di tips of life wa bona like yeah go ke tswelle mo phelong ke tlogela dio tse di snacks o dio tse baya yeah
shulupela go botsa o tsa maikarabelo wena things like that man. Okay, awesome. So ke dilo tse feng tse leng gore di important like the important lessons or the value tse leng gore o isa go rutile tsone
like o ngutile dio tse baya like bo gore ke respect wa bona like
respect
ke sa motella wa bona like o ngutile dio tse baya
so for no that's all you can say respect
respect
ke yone important ya go rutileng yone so far
o ngutile tse baya.
Okay, so o ka mpha tse ite request ku tla yo bane fela respect
o ngutile respect ke nne motho o loyal wa bona
loyalty
ke nne motho o tshepagalang wa bona ke nne caring like re berekisana wa bona
ne awesome. So ene o impactile yang mo musicing wa go
like ene a rate ke tsa music
ha rate
a rate a ke mmolelela ke music o mpolella dio tse dintsi.
Okay, cool. So as a young man ga o tla go gola yana mo ntlong e leng gore go na le single mother figure which is o sia go ntlwana so o faced di challenge tse feng so
like ke faced di challenge tse dintsi like ke ene fela mo phelong baka e leng gore o ntlhokometse ende gape ke ene leng gore o lwetse gore ke nne mokano like ke ene o ntlhokometseng
so basically she's been through a lot ne
ka nna fela.
Okay, awesome. So how does ngwana wa o isago your nephew gana o fita ya mo lifeng ya go le music journey ya go like do you have any fun memories or story about your relationship wena le
like ntwana go gae
ngwana o isago
ene nna le ene re na le relationship e best wa one sharp like ene o rata music motho o binang ke mo ruta o bina gape wa bona
so di memories nyana wena le ene like
re na di memories tse baya
great. So can you tell us about what you know about your father's decision gore a sa ba involved mo life ya go
it's time alone
time
like ene ke gotse ke sa mitso like ba mpolella gore ke yo le time like ke sa believe
so like what do you know how why ena tsere decision go ga sa ba teng mo life ya go
le nna ke itse
so far you don't know great. So se o se go affectile yang ga o tla go gola
like ke gotse ke sena time bona ke da ile gore ngutisa botlhoko gape ga tsa responsibility for my life wa bona ga nna teng a ke motlhoka wa bona dio tse di yalo like bophelo ba ka ke godisitse ke batho ba leng gore ke ba kuma ga ena se mo life-eng ya ka like ke dai leng gore ka se never ke lebalo.
That's kissing. So o sia ga go godisitse yang like ga nna a bua ka absence ya papa ga go gore ga yo like na go thusa ka go processa di feelings tsa go action.
Yeah, none thusa.
And did she say anything? Can you share with us if you don't mind?
Yeah, yone nka I share yone mara.
So what did she say? Ha go bolela ka didio.
Like na bua gore time ke motho fela ga ntse le matsapa. Like phela feta fela tsene go ga a ncheke gore ke sharp re yang. So like yeah, season a phela mplela dio tseo. Yeah.
Okay, so have you ever tried gore o ye go papa gago or at least o mo founela go pe di number tsa ge anyhow or go zama relationship lane?
Yeah, no, ke zama relationship le ene since ke ya go ene nchaela gore ya ke nne ke mo check wa bona dio tse di ya
Selewaya.
ya sa le ga ya go ene.
Okay, so like experience at the first time o ya go ene time yeah
like ne ke sa feel the way wa bona like ke se ke motloelo gore ke time straight so I se ke mo feda ile straight. Like tshepo ile straight wa bona yeah
it's like I should do
ke time I se ke dumele straight.
Okay, cool man. Last question. How do you think your father's absence has shaped your music and artistic expression? Wena o nagana yang gore since vele time ana se teng mo life-eng ya go o shapeile ya music ya go le the way like o se le wa nagana go okay wa tla ka ke reng wa aspire go nne artist?
I expire sepe time ha etsa sepe gore
Ha shape sepe
ya shape sepe mo music-ing wa ka.
Okay, so do you find yourself exploring themes of family, abandonment, or identity in your work? Like somewhere, somehow, more music in wow. We ipona o share dilo tse di tshwanang le bo family, bo go latliwa, bo identity, how you identify yourself when more music in wow. Like do you see yourself o di tsenya dilo tseo e nna tsone tse leng gore di go guide through your music, or let's say ke reng dedicate dipina tsa go for an example?
Yeah ya tsone ka di tsenya bo family so ya tsone ya ke dai leng gore ke batle gore ka mose ba mponetse motho setšhabeng wa bona go gae so like ba bona gore ya at least ngwana gona o phumeletse wa bona ya so like ya ke dai leng gore ke batle experience mo life ke nne le dai leng gore e tlongisa go pele ya ke be success le nna
success
go pele bana ba bang
go pele fela family we go. All right, family we go. Please stay tuned guys. We are not closing the show yet, but we are going phambili as Abu well guest down, and see you after this short break. And we are still here, like I said before the break. For family we go. So we are going forward the last segment of the show, guys. As you know, if you are new to our screen, just know for each and every episode that it's all fair like no guys, something to have fun. As long as we are creating impact there, so we are doing all things tse leng gore di tlo bring up positivity mo community ya rona. So guys, each and every episode re dlala game e leng gore e tsamayana le guest e ntsha dipotso tse 5 on our cup, and then on fa tsone as your host ke le balle tsone out loud, then potso e leng gore e nngwe le nngwe e leng gore o feel gore this one ga ke ile ya gaba or is too personal somehow, tlampe anwe one shot of moringa. Oh guys, you can imagine moringa taste yang. Njaga, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready guys.
You ready? So can you play a game?
Yeah, I'm playing.
Okay, so wa itseng jaaka wa fudua give me one ne ya ntlha
Yeah.
tse 5 fela here.
Yeah.
If potso wa go palla o no one shot, do we agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Pumping a re ege. Let's do this. O e fa nna here e gore o itse keng o kry le change o change dipotso o ipuela fela kante o bala ntho e leng gore a yo mo ke a mo tlhaloganyo. Anyways, first question e partner, what's your partner's name actually? Sorry, motho wa go ke mang? Dina la gepa
ke Kgalalelo motho wa ka.
Kgalalelo. Okay, second question my guy. O Kgalalelo wa bantsi people tsa go sing what's up with you? Which ex would you never ever give a chance even if when you are desperate? Okay, ke ex e feng e leng go ka se fe chance ne even if o not desperate no matter how mo lifeng, but you know this one red flag.
Ene ke Tshiamo mona.
Ke Tshiamo.
Yeah, Tshiamo.
Go le go ka nna desperate yang le yang.
Never nja.
Okay, re potsa with 3. Tlo tsena mo tabeng tsa batho tla tloga ba re na le bua ka batho go di scam. You are not here to talk about you. That question would you dance naked for 2 hours to save your mother from a hectic situation? Yeah, you know this one never fail to. This one is one of my favorite. You know, so I go for situation go interpretele yona re ne it says o ka bina for 2 hours ka lepona ne go ntsha mamago in fact ke o isago cause ke ene mama ga yona o ka bina for 2 hours o le naked for ausiago o montsha mo hectic situation, and the hectic situation a teng o itsentsang o kry-a le mo dikolotong ne le matšhonisi o mongwe a very dangerous one mo phatsima, and then a ba bua re ka tla phenywa mpinele naked for 2 hours ke phumole sekoloto se usiago. Would you do that my guy?
Nka se.
Why?
Ka lepona.
So vele o tlogela guy a bethe usiago like a whole usiago fela.
Like a ke be ya mara nanga se go.
That's how it is in Chaka. Anyway, it's a report before. We saving time. I mean, this guy rata usiago ba fethu. I don't know. O go editseng ka nteng Chaka.
Ngeza se.
What's up for would you deep kiss your father 20 minutes for 15k? O ga suna time ago for 15k deep kiss. Ring 15 minutes for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah, deep kiss for 15k. Gote ke ye 15k ntja ka re
15k. Yeah, nka mo.
Last question. Yeah, you know me, I had fun today. Guys, I don't wanna lie. What will be your first step when you find your partner cheating with you? Okra partner go ke mankgali Kgalalelo a go cheata. What are you going to do? What's going to be your first step?
Go tsa mo ene fela.
O tswa mo ene fela like how? Say you find them in a room, they are doing what they are doing. What are you going to do?
Go tlhera ya no.
O tlhega.
Dio boa ka mo.
Dio boa guys here. Let's hope Kgalalelo le no tlo sheba and she doesn't. In fact, if ever ne wa cheater out there, hopefully it's sure this guy am agree. Cause so guys, unfortunately we came to our last minute of the show. Jaka, we had fun with you today. Must come to sure guys, please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. See you next time. If you want to be our guest on Scamto season 2, please you can contact us on this number 061 2200 929. Again 061 2200 929. See you next time.